Hello everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at Paw Patrol's Marshall and Baby Whale Rescue Set. So this is what the front of the set looks like. This set is made by Nickelodeon and it's for ages 3 and up. We have our Marshall Fire Pup here. He has his ladder and the whale that he is rescuing. So if we flip it over to the back, we see exactly what the set comes with, which is Marshall, his ladder, and the whale. It says Marshall uses his fire hose and ladder to keep the whale wet. And over here it says this will help beat the heat. So Marshall is saving the whale from the heat. And over here the box shows the other available sets, Spy, Chase, and Rocky. So this set is based off the popular Paw Patrol show on Nickelodeon. Marshall is the Dalmatian pup who is seen to be silly and clumsy in the Paw Patrol series. Despite all his silliness, he always helps Ryder and the team accomplish their mission. His uniform is red and he has his pup pack on his back with everything he needs for his mission and his fireman's cap to protect him. Marshall always saves the day. Marshall is the joker and the clown of the group, but when he is given a mission by Ryder, he completes it. In this set, he's gonna save a baby whale. Alright, so now that we've seen what the box looks like, let's open it up and take a look inside. Alright, so let's unwrap it. Alright, so now that we have everything open, we can see our Marshall Dalmatian pup more clearly. He has his red coat and red pup pack along with his red fireman's cap. And he has very big blue eyes. So Marshall's signature is his red color. Then we have the whale that he is rescuing. This poor baby whale. It needs to be saved from the heat. But to save the whale, he needs his ladder so he can climb up to the top. So Marshall's legs can go up and down. They are movable. His front legs move a little bit, but his back legs move more. So his movable legs will allow him to climb up the ladder. So as you can see, that is how your set is gonna look like when you set it up. You will have Marshall leaning against the ladder, climbing to the top to save the whale. So some more info about Marshall is that he is a Dalmatian pup. He is spotted and has white fur. He has bright blue eyes, and he wears his fire hat, helmet, and red vest all the time. His head can also rotate. Marshall is a loyal and brave member of the Paw Patrol. He is very friendly and loves birds. Don't worry, Whale, I'll save you from the heat. There you go. Thank you. I'm saved. Woof, woof. This set also comes with this pamphlet here, and when we open it up, it has a list of all the different sets that you can collect, and it has check boxes next to each of them, so that every time you get a set, you can check off one of your boxes. So let's find the set we have now. We have Marshall's Fire and Rescue. We got that pup, so we can check that one off. Ryder gave me my mission. I've got to save a whale that's too hot. Thank you, you saved me. No problem, Whale, just doing my job. Paw Patrol is on the go. Thanks for watching.